Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Drake, and I'm here with the Remove iCloud Lock.co official YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to increase the battery life on your iPhone 7. So if you're like me and I've had the iPhone 7 for a while, then the battery life does tend to get a little bit worse over time, and using these quick few steps, we will help you improve it for sure. So to begin, almost all of these quick tips can be done in battery life in your settings app. So we're going to go here, and the first thing that we're going to go to is turn off Bluetooth. So if you have Bluetooth on, then it's constantly looking for new devices down there. But if you turn it off, it's a quick way to save battery, and if you're not using it, there's no need to even have it on. So a quick, easy way to get a few extra percent there. Next up, we're going to scroll down to battery on our menu here, and now once we get here, as you guys can see, there is a new beta setting that they're testing out called battery health. Now this will tell you kind of the state of your battery since you got it, because batteries do get worse as they come older. So I got my iPhone about a year and a few months ago, and it's at 90% capacity, which isn't too bad for a year and a half basically, so not bad at all. And also peak performance capability. If your phone is older and the battery is not lasting as long, then make sure it's working at peak performance. But if not, then it might be time to get a new phone. A battery life suggestion that Apple puts on here for us is to reduce the brightness, and obviously most people know that, but it is good to turn down your brightness if you don't need it. However, for the purpose of the video, I'm gonna keep it up so you guys can see what I'm actually doing here. And here we can just look through and see exactly what there is that's taking up our battery. So we have all the recent apps in the last 24 hours, last 3 days. You just look through these and decide which is important. And if you find an app that you're not using a lot, that still seems to rack up a lot of battery life, then you definitely should remove that. And the last quick tip I'm going to show you guys here today is privacy settings, how to turn off your location settings if you don't need it. So some apps you just don't need to have your location settings while using, and that's just an easy way to save some battery life while you're in these apps. Some apps have like the location on all the time, and just go through what you want and turn it off. For the most part, all the apps I have are like food places or money places that have to have a location on. So obviously if those need to have your location, you have to use it. But if there's apps that you're not using that you don't need location, be sure to turn that off. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. We just wanted to give you guys a few quick and easy steps to improve your battery life. This can all be done within a minute in your settings and can improve a good couple percent. Also, if you do not know already, most people know, lower power mode will also extend the battery life quite a bit. You won't get all the full features such as automatic sync and all that, but you definitely do save a ton of battery here. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe to Remove iCloud Lock.co's official YouTube channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.